Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now if you guys have a Porsche Cayenne and your rear right light does not work, stay with us guys, we'll show you what could cause that. Okay, and we're going to go ahead guys and show you where to find the fuse for that. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, please give a subscribe and a like. So this is the Porsche Cayenne guys right here, and more mechanical videos could be found on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys, so please check them out as well. Now, our rear right light does not work guys. Okay, this light doesn't work. So the fuse for this one guys now, okay, let us show you where it is. Need to open the door. After that, this cover will need to be removed because your fuses are underneath. With a plastic prying tool, get here, pull it out. Now we have 5 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips guys, 5 clips. Those are the fuses. Okay, you can see the fuse numbers. Now we need to find fuse number 15 guys. Okay, it's this fuse, okay, right here, the second one, second row. Pull it out, we'll replace it with a new one now. Okay, perfect, like that. Now, let's go ahead and see if it works now. Okay. Yep, definitely guys, works as you can see. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful, we can save you some money. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.